Hi everyone. So today is actually my birthday, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to talk about this on camera, but I think I need to say it out loud. This is the first time in my whole life I'm spending my birthday away from my family. First time ever. It still feels strange typing that sentence, honestly. I moved away from my education, which I know was the right decision, but nobody really tells you how quiet a birthday morning feels alone. I did video call my parents this morning. My mom sang happy birthday exactly like she always does, slightly off key, and my dad just smiled behind her the whole time. And that's the strange part. I've talked to all of them today. My brother sent me a ridiculous meme, my sister called twice. So technically, I wasn't alone at all. But a video call isn't the same as my mom actually putting a plate of food in front of me without asking if I want it. Same. But a video call isn't the same as my mom actually putting a plate of food in front of me without asking if I want it. It's just not the same. It's not the same as my dad pretending he forgot my birthday completely, every single year, just to see my face drop for a second before he laughs. Or my sister barging into my room at midnight, way too loud, waking up the entire house just to be the first one to wish me. Every single year, I think I always assumed those little things would just always be there. You don't realize how much you'll miss the ordinary parts until you're the one who's far away. I'm not saying this to make anyone feel bad or make my birthday sound sad. I'm genuinely okay. I just think it's okay to say, today, if you're also away from your family right now, for school, for work, for whatever reason, I think you'll understand exactly what I mean. Some days just hit differently.